a Sportsman's dream home in California that includes a multi-sports complex sold for $12.5 million. Completed in 2008, this remarkable leisure oasis is a huge 23,000 square foot compound in the East Bay suburb of Orinda. The property at 10 Winding Lane was previously listed for $22.5 million. Ideally located just 20 minutes from San Francisco, the estate is private, serene, and brimming with technology features. The compound features 8.5 park-life acres and boasts a luxurious main residence of more than 14,000 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, and a one-of-a-kind sports complex. It is a property where everything flows seamlessly together. Surrounded by light and open terrain, the 3-structure hilltop compound combines tasteful traditional living with inventive and enlightened architecture. There's also a resort-style pool and spa with its own pool house, as well as walking trails. There's also a sports complex on the grounds. While not uncommon for a property of this size to have a gym, it's another thing when you throw in tennis, bocce, racquetball, and squash courts, a golf course, a rock climbing wall, a yoga studio, steam room, sauna, and a locker room. A dramatic yet charming carriage house with a 5-car garage and car wash station and a banquet hall. All that is adjacent to open space with walking trails, rolling hills, oak trees, and lush landscaping. The entire estate is powered by automated solar power, and all of its security and lighting systems can be controlled via touchscreens throughout the house or remotely. Enjoy a lifestyle of incomparable escapism, relaxation, and comfort.